Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CIE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day and then where the price ultimately closed up there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move today, no doubt about it. However, that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And in order to better illustrate this, I want to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. And that area is right here at, let's see, what is that value? 44 cents. Why is 44 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 44 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old channel right here that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say something like this happens. I'm not saying it will, but just to really illustrate, a pretty drastic pullback happens. It comes all the way down there, then behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back up. If that were to happen, what would you have? Well, even after a drastic pullback like that, you'd still have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this scenario, I'm defining and quantifying, quote unquote, make progress forward as 44 cents. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not going to touch on those because in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the overall chart will take care of itself. So all in all, great move today. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.